What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a tie-dye shirt, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I'm in Walmart trying to get all the supplies I need to make my tie-dye shirt. So right now we need and the last thing you're going to need is a trash bag to keep your shirt clean. It's optional. You're only going to need the trash bag if you're doing it outside. If you're not going to do it outside, you can do it inside of your tub. So just FYI. Also, the good thing about these kits from Walmart, it comes with protective gloves and rubber bands, which are all the things that you need to. So all you gotta do is put water in this. Okay, so I just added my water, shaking it up a little bit. I'm also gonna add red, so I'm gonna work on that one next. All right, y'all, so I got all my supplies. I got my rubber bands, I got my gloves, got my dye. So I'm gonna use navy blue and red, and then my white t-shirt. And again, the trash bag is to keep your shirt clean. About to move on to the next step. So the next step is gonna be to rubber band your shirt. All right, guys, so I just want you to roll your shirt up like a cinnamon bun. It should look like this when you're done. I'm gonna put the rubber bands. Look at it. Look like 6 those sections. All right, y'all, so we're ready to get going. So then you just apply your colors. Enough. Put a little more red in there. Let it soak all in. Soak it all in there. Next, you want to rinse all the colors so match up together. All right, y'all. So I brought it outside to let it dry for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna throw it in the washer.
24 hours later.
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product right here. Check this out. It's so funny that the colors that I chose were red and navy blue, but yet the colors bled so much that it looks pink and purple, so still pretty dope. And I added the banner, the Black Lives Matter banner, because guess what? We do. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys learned something. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.